Am I recording? Yeah. So I built this FPV truck. What I like about the system is the fact it's got its own power source, so I can just switch out the shell and it's back to a normal truck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to build it, I'm going to test it, and then I'm going to give you like a almost conclusion on whether I think it's worth it or not. Enjoy. Hey look, it's me! I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet as I know it's not going to be the most entertaining. So all you need to do to actually make this is solder 5 cables, the rest you just plug in or screw into place. So what you need is a camera, a transmitter, a power cable, 2 antennas, FPV goggles or a screen, they'll need a built-in receiver, and a 2S LiPo. This cable here will come with the camera. It will originally have 3 connectors. Only one will fit into the back of the camera. Plug that connector into the back of the camera and cut the opposite connector off. The smallest connector of the 3 can be left as it's for adjusting your screen settings. Once plugged in, you'll see which wire is which. You will also see that on the transmitter there will be pads that do separate things. All you need to know is that ground goes to ground, vid goes to vid, and VCC goes to 5 volt or 5V. The other thing you need to do is connect the transmitter to the power cable. The XT30 connector I use has positive and negative symbols on each side, so all I needed to do was solder the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. Once that's done, all you need to do is screw on your antennas. That's it. Done. Capiche. Also, I'll put all the STL files of my mounting equipment on Patreon. You don't have to subscribe, it's accessible to everyone. So, getting down to the sand dunes now. This place is really pretty and I have a Mavic Air, so I'm going to get some really nice drone shots. The truck is not. There's the truck and there's one of the wheels. The hex and the pin is gone. I believe this is going on. I will put money on it coming off again. So the wheel fell off after about 10 seconds of putting it back on, and once again I didn't get it on video, so I'm heading back now. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Thought about it, and the FPV system itself was a success. A little bit bumpy, but that's expected on a beach. I think it would be more suitable for something like a drift car or a rock crawler personally. Oh fuck. I would still use it again on this. I think it would just be more suitable for something like that. You don't necessarily need all this 3D printed mounting equipment. You could just glue it if you wanted to, but the reason I've done it with like fasteners and everything is because then I can take it off and put it on other things. It's a bit frustrating that I missed like a bunch of things on video. I'm just like, when I'm by myself, it's a bit like hard to get everything on video, and I'm just not used to it yet. So I would either be like sitting out of frame.
Oh, this is what.
Or it would be blurry.
Oh, you fuck.
I need to get used to this camera stuff. It's just so weird. But I enjoy making this stuff, so I'm going to keep at it. Bye bye.